Today we are talking about the iPad Mini 8, Apple's most powerful compact tablet yet, and why this tiny device is quietly becoming one of the most exciting products Apple has released in years. The iPad Mini has always been loved for its small size and portability, but with the iPad Mini 8, Apple has completely changed the game by bringing flagship-level power, a smarter display, AI features, and laptop-class performance into a device you can hold in one hand. The iPad Mini 8 is designed for people who want big performance without carrying a big tablet. It is made for students, gamers, content creators, travelers, and anyone who wants a premium Apple experience in the most compact form possible. From the outside it may look familiar, but on the inside, this is a completely new machine. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the iPad Mini 8 keeps the flat-edge design introduced with the previous generation, but Apple has refined it further. The aluminum body is now slightly lighter and thinner, making it even easier to hold for long periods of time. The bezels are slimmer, giving the screen more space without increasing the overall size. The corners are smoother, and the matte finish on the back feels more premium and resistant to fingerprints. The power button on the top still includes Touch ID, which is now faster and more accurate. The speakers have been improved with deeper bass and clearer vocals, giving better sound for movies, games, and video calls. Apple has also improved durability by using stronger glass on the front, making the iPad Mini 8 more resistant to drops and scratches. Now let's talk about the display, because this is one of the biggest upgrades. The iPad Mini 8 features an 8.4-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, which is brighter, sharper, and more color accurate than before. Apple has increased the brightness, making it easier to use outdoors. The colors are richer, the blacks are deeper, and the contrast is much higher. This makes watching movies, editing photos, reading, and gaming look absolutely stunning. One of the most important upgrades is ProMotion technology. The screen now supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling, gaming, and animations feel incredibly smooth. Everything feels faster and more responsive, especially when using Apple Pencil or playing high frame rate games. The display also supports HDR content, True Tone, and a wider color range, which means photos and videos look more realistic than ever. Whether you are watching YouTube, Netflix, or editing content, the display feels like a mini cinema in your hands. Now let's move inside to the heart of the iPad Mini 8. This tablet is powered by Apple's brand new M3 chip, which is a massive leap from the previous generation. This is the same class of chip found in MacBooks, which means the iPad Mini 8 is now a true powerhouse. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smoother, and even heavy tasks like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and advanced gaming run effortlessly. The M3 chip brings faster CPU performance, a much stronger GPU, and improved energy efficiency. This means you get desktop-level speed without sacrificing battery life. Games look more realistic with advanced lighting, shadows, and reflections. Creative apps like Final Cut, Photoshop, and Procreate run faster and smoother than ever. With the new Neural Engine, the iPad Mini 8 is also built for Apple's AI features. This means smarter photo editing, better voice recognition, faster translations, and real-time suggestions across the system. The tablet learns how you use it and becomes faster and more helpful over time. Now let's talk about memory and storage. The iPad Mini 8 now starts with more RAM, which means better multitasking. You can switch between apps without reloads, use split screen, and keep background tasks running smoothly. Storage options go up to 1 TB, giving you enough space for videos, photos, games, and professional projects. Battery life is another area where Apple has made improvements. Despite the powerful M3 chip, the iPad Mini 8 delivers all-day battery life. You can watch videos, browse, work, and play games for hours without worrying about charging. The improved efficiency means you get more performance with less power usage. Fast charging through USB-C makes it easy to top up quickly when you need it. Now let's talk about cameras. The iPad Mini 8 has a new 12-megapixel rear camera with improved low-light performance and sharper details. It supports smart HDR, better stabilization, and clearer video recording. You can scan documents, record 4K videos, and take high-quality photos. The front camera has also been upgraded with center stage technology, which keeps you perfectly framed during video calls. Whether you are on FaceTime, Zoom, or recording content, the camera automatically follows your movement, making calls more natural and professional. Connectivity is another huge upgrade. The iPad mini 8 supports faster Wi-Fi and 5G, giving you blazing fast internet speeds wherever you go. This makes streaming, gaming, cloud work, and video calls smoother than ever. Now let's talk about Apple Pencil and accessories. The iPad mini 8 supports the latest Apple Pencil, which is more accurate, faster, and feels more natural. Writing, drawing, and note-taking feel like real pen and paper. Artists, students, and professionals will love the smooth performance. With keyboard support and multitasking features, the iPad mini 8 can even replace a small laptop for many users. You can write emails, edit documents, create content, and manage projects on the go. When we talk about the launch date of the iPad mini 8, this is one of the most exciting parts, because fans around the world have been waiting for it. According to multiple credible sources and industry leaks, Apple is expected to introduce the iPad mini 8 in 2026. Some reports suggest that the most likely time frame for the launch would be in the second half of 2026, possibly around the third or fourth quarter of the year. This means we could see the iPad mini 8 appear between September and December 2026, which is when Apple has historically announced new devices at their bigger product events. This expected later 2026 launch is due to the fact that Apple is said to be upgrading the iPad mini in big ways, including adding a brand new OLED display and a faster processor. So the company is giving itself extra time to get everything just right before unveiling it to the world. Since Apple has not yet officially confirmed a date, we can't say the exact day yet, but based on what industry insiders and reliable leakers are saying, fall 2026 is the window most experts are predicting for the iPad mini 8 announcement and availability. Now let's talk about price. Because the iPad mini 8 is expected to bring major UPGRADS, especially a high-quality OLED screen and a next-generation chip, analysts think Apple may increase the starting price compared to the current iPad mini model. Many reports estimate that the base price for the iPad mini 8 will start at around $599, which is about $100 more than the starting price of the previous model. If this expected price is correct, it means Apple is positioning the iPad mini 8 as a more premium compact tablet than before. In many countries outside the USA, the local price will be higher once taxes and import fees are included, so viewers should be aware of that when they see official local pricing after launch. Once Apple makes an official announcement, we will know the exact launch date, pricing for different storage versions, and local pricing for countries like Pakistan. Until then, this is the best information we have based on industry predictions and trusted leaks. Finally, let's talk about who this device is for. The iPad mini 8 is perfect for students who need a powerful yet portable device. It is perfect for gamers who want console-level performance in a small form. It is perfect for creators who want a mobile editing station. And it is perfect for anyone who loves Apple's ecosystem but wants something compact. In conclusion, the iPad mini 8 is not just a small tablet anymore. It is a powerful, intelligent, and versatile device that brings the future of computing into a tiny form. Apple has truly redefined what a mini tablet can be, and the iPad mini 8 proves that big things really do come in small packages. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button so YouTube knows you want more content like this. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech updates, leaks, and honest reviews. Share this video with your friends who love Apple products and future tech, because they deserve to know what's coming next.